Hey everyone, so I have an 11 by 14 oval canvas. I get these at Hobby Lobby. They're nice and I tape them off really nice on the back so my work stays neat. But we're going to do 3 ring pours on this, little mini ones. And I did pick some interesting purples. Liquitex Light Blue Violet, Folk Art Purple Flash, Soho Dioxazine Violet, my white was Silicone, and Folk Art Blue Violet Flash. So I'm going to just set this up here while I fill my cups. And I'm thinking that should be enough paint. Let's see how far I fill them first. So I'm going to go in this order. So I'm going to start with this flash first. I'm putting all the color on one side of the cup. Now if you're not using bottles, you can tip your cup and pour it in with your cup. Let's do another round. I'm going to break that up though with some white. Just to make it interesting, let's put just a touch of black. I did spray these with WD-40, by the way. Black can, not blue. Yeah, I definitely will have enough paint. Okay. Now, because I don't have a base coat down, my paint will fold over. So that's why I wanted a little extra paint, because I didn't want to put a base coat down. Alright. So I'm just going to start right here and just let it pour out. And it's okay if it goes off the canvas. Okay, and the last one we'll put right here. Alright, I'm just going to roll those around and loosen them up before I stretch. Okay, so now I'm going to come this way first. Once I have all that paint together, just going to let it go over the edge. So we are going to do a lot of stretching to get those rings to show up. Okay, so all the edges are covered. I could have gotten away with 2. I'm going to actually pour off 1 whole cup of paint there. Okay. Let me wipe my hands. Give it a torch, see what we got. Not much new coming up, which is good, because on a tree ring you really don't want a ton of cells. All the bubbles are gone. I really like that. It's different. Got a lot of little baby cells that came up there on that last pass with the torch. You can see them there. But subscribe if you haven't already. Hit that bell next to the subscribe button and you'll get a notification when we upload our next video. Click like and share and leave a comment. Join us on Facebook. We have a new group on Facebook, the Parage Posse with Christina Welch. Shop with us on Amazon and Etsy and Redbubble. Our fan mail post office box address is below. And we also are an affiliate for Stone Coat Countertops Epoxy. They have a new art coat out now that's UV resistant, and it just stays as crystal clear as it can be on your artwork. So check out all those links below and join us on the next one. Bye now.